How you doing? Christian missionaries don't actually call towards Christianity anymore. They're just there to attack Islam. This man came to our table, saw a man interested in Islam, took him to the side, told him all kinds of lies. We cleared that up later. Right now, when I approach him, see him run from even answering a single question about the Bible. I had a question. Just me.
Wait. This is not the way that should be.
Okay.
This is not the way it should be.
I just got a quick question.
With that.
Okay. Don't record him.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want that, let us set a time.
Okay. I just have a quick question on the Bible.
No. We will talk about it. Let us set a time. I do agree with you.
Okay.
And then we'll let us set the topic.
Okay.
And then we'll come and sit.
I just have a quick because you came to our tent, right?
No. Okay.
Because you were talking to the other guy about Quran contradictions, and I just talked to the guy, the African American guy that had the Quran that you guys were talking to earlier. I just talked to him. Today, yeah. This is their tactic. When they see somebody interested in Islam, they just want to distract them. Earlier that day, they spoke to an African American man interested in Islam who had a Quran, and they told him the Quran says sun sets in murky water, and Quran says to follow the Bible. Well, alhamdulillah, I caught up with them and clarified these issues.
Hey, so what's going on with the sun setting in murky water with your book over here, man?
That's not what the Quran says. The Quran says the sun sets where Dhul Qarnayn. Do you have a Quran?
Yeah.
Yeah, look it up. I'll show it to you right now. If you look in the Quran, I got you. Look in the Quran in Surah Al-Kahf, which is the 18th surah, in the 85th verse. You can bring up 18. I got you here.
Thank you.
1854. So he traveled a course until he reached a setting point of the sun, which appeared to him the setting of a spring in a springy, muddy water. It's not, the Quran doesn't say the sun sets in murky water. It appeared to Dhul Qarnayn, the one who was traveling, that the sun, when you look at the sunset and looks like it's setting. When you say in the Western movies, he rode into the sunset. It doesn't mean he physically ran into the sunset. That's why when you guys be talking that stuff at the park, at the table, you guys got to know your verses first.
Well, he
right?
must have said it wrong. And what's this about you guys following the Bible? That's all you guys.
No. See, so this is again, this is the same mistake that they're trying to teach you the wrong things about, where they're telling you, if you look in Surah Al-Ma'idah, the 5th chapter, here in verse 46 down to 48. So what it actually tells the Muslims to do is to follow the Quran. But the Christians always come out with this verse saying that you got to follow the Bible. So you look, it says, let the people of the gospel judge by what God has revealed. So they say this means you got to follow the Bible. What they're doing is they're ignoring the verse before it and the verse after it. If you go before it, then in the footsteps of the prophet, we sent Jesus, the son of Mary, confirming the Torah revealed before him. And we gave him the Injil, the gospel containing the guidance, right? So now the Injil that was revealed to Jesus, we believe is correct. And it says, so let the people of the Injil, the Christians at that time, judge by what God had revealed. So that was for that time. But in the 48th verse it says, and we have revealed to you, O Prophet Muhammad, the book which is with truth, confirming the previous scripture, and the supreme authority over them. So judge between them by what God has revealed. So the Torah, if you go to the 46th verse, at the time of Moses, that's what they should have judged by. And the 47th verse, in the time of Jesus, they should have ruled by what the Injil said to them. But in the time of the Prophet Muhammad, in the 48th verse, you have to rule by the Quran. These people, they're trying to misguide you. They're trying to tell you lies. The Quran doesn't say the sun sets in murky water. It tells you that Dhul Qarnayn went to a place where he saw the sun setting, where it seemed like it was setting into the water. Just like today in San Diego, you go to the Pacific Ocean and you see the water and you see sun setting. It doesn't mean we're saying the sun is falling into the Pacific Ocean. We say the sun is setting into the ocean. We say the sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. He rode into the sunset. That's what they're saying. This is what we see. So Dhul Qarnayn, he went all the way west where he saw the sun setting at the horizon. This is what they're trying to fool you with. And when they say about following the Bible, it's not that the Quran is telling us you got to follow the Bible. It's telling us that in the time of Moses, you follow the Torah. In the time of Jesus, those people that the Injil was revealed to, they should follow the message of Jesus. But the 48th verse that they try to hide from you tells you the last revelation of the Quran. In the time of the Quran, you have to rule by the Quran. And whatever is in the earlier scriptures, we judge it by the Quran. You clear now?
All right.
Don't let these people fool you with this hate stuff, man.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Check it out, man. But Now they won't bring these issues to us because they know we'll give them the answer. But see if they can answer a single question about the Bible. But I just want to know what was first, the earth or the sky? What was created first? Because here in Genesis, under 9 and 10, it looks like the earth was created on day 3. But in the same Genesis, if you look in the next chapter, it looks like the sky was created first. So, and the vegetation was created after the earth. Like, it just doesn't make sense, right? Then in day 6, then God said, let us make man. So where was man created? Where was earth created? Was earth created first or man created first? Because here, you see what I'm saying? I mean, if you don't know, we can come back to you.
No, I do.
Okay, then just let me know then.
Wait.
How you doing?
Do you know?
Do I know what was created first? I can tell you what the Quran tells us. Yes, the earth was created first.
Here.
What about you?
Wow.
Here.
Oh, it makes sense if you put the earth first and then put man on it.
Right? But here,
we're gonna set a time for that.
Yeah.
And we'll come and talk about it. Wait.
Okay.
I asked Karar. Karar talked to me. I think maybe he talked to you. Karar, he talked to me. And he said, I'm gonna call Uthman. If we can meet. And then I asked him, and then he told you on Christmas Day, and then you said to him like that, you're right now busy with your family.
Yes.
Do you remember that, Karar?
I do.
I'm the one who that talked to Karar. But wait, right now, here's the thing. If you want that, I can come to you where you are, and I'm gonna agree with you. We're gonna record it. Do we agree that?
Do you have his number?
Yeah. Tom, come in here.
Tom.
We're gonna record it.
We're
gonna come and record it.
You're done. I got you. Get the number of the brothers. We'll set it up.
Tom,
for your question, you see here, this is day 3. God said, let us create, let the water. I'm just talking to Tom.
The issue is recorded.
Okay.
If you want to answer that right now, we can answer it.
No problem.
But you cannot just go ahead and put that recorder right now.
No problem.
Let us do that day 2 and then put them
I got
together.
you. I heard.
But I still can answer you right now, even you want to answer.
Go ahead. What's the question? What's the answer? Yeah.
Here is things. The sky was created the second day.
Day 2. God said, it's water divided into water. Just God said, made firmament divided. There's no sky here. Day 2 right here.
That is
no,
sky.
Look at the verse.
Day 2.
Look at the verse.
Okay, read it.
Okay. So this is day 1, right? God saw light and it was good, and God divided light into darkness.
Read it from the beginning.
Okay, go ahead. You read it.
Okay.
Here. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
Then the earth
was without form
and
void.
Okay.
And darkness.
See what happened here. See.
So keep going.
Yeah.
Okay.
See what happened here. If you see when God created Adam in day 6.
Okay.
In day 5th, you will find that He created wild animals.
Okay. Day 3.
No. Day 5th. Wild
day 5.
Animals.
Okay.
Day 3, He created
creatures.
Trees and vegetables and other things.
So vegetation was after man?
Before man.
So vegetation was before man.
That's right.
Okay,
because
but therefore any plant of the field there wasn't before any plant was in the earth, before any herb was on earth, the Lord said that the Lord had not caused it to rain on earth, therefore no man until the ground. But a mist went up for the earth and watered the whole earth. So here the vegetation came after man.
Yeah? We'll say that.
Right here, chapter 2.
Okay.
So it contradicts what you're saying.
No. Wait.
So before there was any vegetation, God created man here.
He said like that?
But look right here.
He said like that?
Read it.
Okay, wait. Let me tell you something.
Okay, go ahead.
You got to get it here.
Okay.
When God created the Garden of Eden, He didn't create the whole trees everywhere on the earth.
Okay.
It was a garden.
Was the Garden Eden on earth or in heaven?
Yeah, it was on earth. That's what you believe in heaven. But here on earth here.
Okay.
So we do not believe that say that Adam committed sin in heaven and then it was sent down.
So you believe the Garden of Eden was on earth?
Here.
On earth?
That's right.
Okay, so that means the earth was created before Adam.
That's right.
So that contradicts the Bible.
No. Here.
Okay, go ahead.
That's what we just read it the first day. The first day.
So here, the earth is first, right? God then made 2 great lights, and the sun and the moon came after the earth.
That's right.
So the earth was before the sun and the moon.
Therefore, sun and moon.
And then God said on day 6, let us make man in our image.
That's right.
But here, there was no vegetation when God ordered man to be created.
But that's not talking about the garden.
Neither one of them is talking about Garden of Eden, talking about the earth.
No, he's talking about the garden because
Where does
he
it say
asked
that?
him to eat
Where does
from
it
those
say
trees.
that? Where does it say that in the verse? You
See
just
that,
made that
okay,
up.
See here. See, no, see,
Yeah, yeah.
Day 6, read there what he said, multiply.
No.
And he gave him
look,
that gate from
let
the
us
tree of the
make man in our image on day 6. Doesn't say anything about
okay,
the garden.
Go ahead, come on. And then when he said, when he created Adam and Eve, I cannot see like that. I don't have Arabic Bible right now to read everything like this.
You can't read English?
Yeah, I mean a little bit. I read a little bit. I'm not that so in English.
Okay. So what you're saying about the Garden of Eden is not in the verse, but that's okay. But let me ask you something else then, because you're not answering the question.
So we're gonna go on right now, and then.
No, I just want to ask you one more question.
It was good for us to just set a time. That's what I'm saying was mine.
Let's set a time.
That would be perfect time.
You see, this is just a tactic to get out of giving an answer. He says all this right now, but when we gave him a time and place to meet, see what happens.
Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We met these Islamophobes at the park. We hit them with a question. They didn't have an answer. They said, no, we're going to set a time. We set a time after Jum'ah. Our brother Muhammad's a witness. We messaged them. We told them to come. They didn't show up. They're making excuses again. We're going to give them another time because we're not afraid to sit with them whenever, wherever. We're not going to wait anymore. We're going to post a video because we gave them the opportunity that they asked for. We didn't post a video. We kept our word. They're hiding because they don't have answers.
Time.
Okay.
And then I would come and then, but we're here.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell that before these people.
Yes.
We're going to talk about this one. See here.
Go ahead.
About the inspiration of the Bible and Quran.
Okay.
Which one is inspired by God?
Okay.
The second thing is the Al-Qada wal-Qadar.
Qada and Qadar. Excellent.
Okay? You got it?
Love it.
Is everything that from God, even sins? We're going to talk about it. Okay? The third thing, the way of salvation. How God save people.
All right, got you. You can write down
salvation. Okay. No, you got to get. Next time we're going to discuss all this.
Okay.
Is God save people by their deeds or by grace?
Excellent.
Okay.
I just have one question for you before we end, though. Here, Isaiah was 42 when he became king, right?
Okay.
Here, before that, his father was 32-year-old when he became king and reigned in Jerusalem for 8 years.
Yes.
So he died, and as he died, they buried him in the city of David. Then happened in Jerusalem, made Isaiah the youngest son of the king in his place. They hurried to make him. How can the son be 42 and the father died at 40?
Okay, Osman.
Yes.
What? I think they will.
Look,
I know that.
Tom.
Don't answer that.
He doesn't want him to speak. Go ahead.
You speak. Let me finish it. You are talking to me here.
Okay, go ahead.
Finish it.
Go ahead.
See, Osman.
Yes.
I think we agree on something that right now, and you're still going ahead. I just say we're going to talk about the inspiration of the Bible and the Quran.
I agreed with you.
But
I asked you. I'm just going to ask you one question.
If we're going to talk about it right now, if we're going to talk about it right now, no, wait. If we're going to talk about it right now, that means we're talking about the inspiration of the Bible and Quran.
No,
it is.
No, it's not.
It is about it.
You're yelling. Calm down. Okay. All I'm asking you is how can a father die at 40 and the son be 42?
That I'm saying. But
you don't have an answer.
Okay, let me say. You see it like a contradiction. That's right?
Yes, I do.
It's still. Okay, wait. Don't let me finish.
You know, both of them can't give a single answer about a simple question about the Bible. And when we asked them to meet at a certain place, they flaked out. They didn't show up. Then we asked them to give us a time. When would they like to sit? And here was their response.
We had that Sudanese preacher come out again at the park. We asked him, when do you give us a time? What did he say? God hasn't given him.
God didn't give him a time for the debate yet.
So these guys, when you see them face to face, you tell them, here's the Bible, they don't have an answer. When you give them a time, they don't show up. Then when you ask them, when you give us a time, he says, God hasn't given them a time yet. They're just running. Go run. Run.
وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَوْلًا مِّمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا وَقَالَ إِنَّنِي